Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I want to introduce you to an interesting website. It's called HomeExchange.com. So this is not a sponsored video. I found this concept to be very unique. So that is the reason I'm covering it here. It's called Home Exchange. As the name suggests, it is about exchanging the home or swapping your home with someone's home. And you can travel around the world. So Home Exchange is the world leader in home exchange vacation with over 2 lakh members in 155 countries. So you can discover an affordable, authentic and safe way to travel the world. You can discover how you can exchange homes for your next vacation. So how does it work? What do you have to do to get started? So you can create your listing. That is your house. You can list it for free and fill out your profile, introduce yourself. You can promote your home by adding nice pictures. You can look for home and destination that interest you and send exchange requests. You can send personalized messages and respond to other members' requests that you receive. You can organize the details of your exchange by communicating with your host via the home exchange messaging system. So for example, if you want to go to US and there is a couple who wants to visit a house in Bangalore, so you can contact them and exchange your house for a particular period of time so that they will come and stay in your house and you will go and stay in their house. So that's how it works. So you can become a member and finalize your exchange. So once the details are set, the exchange must be pre-approved by your host. So if you're not already a member, you can sign up for like $235 for a year for unlimited exchanges. You're officially a home exchange member for the next 12 months. So what kind of exchange vacation can I organize? You can have the classic exchange. Two families exchange each other's homes, whether simultaneously or on a different dates. This is called a reciprocal exchange. You can exchange with the guest points. So guest points are the key to an easy exchange. So what happens if you find another member with an available home, but that member doesn't want to stay at your home in return? You can offer them guest points that they can use to go stay at another member's home in the destination of their choosing. So each member receives guest points when they sign up and when they host other members. For example, you and your family go on a 6-night vacation to France and stay at another member's home for 100 GBs per night. You would give your host 600 GBs for this vacation. So your host can use the 600 GPs to organize their vacation. So this is how the home exchange annual membership concept works. So this is quite an interesting idea that I found. So now if you look at any location, let's say I'm looking for a house in Australia. Okay, so I'll say search. So as you can see, I have searched for Australia. So this is Australia and I can see various houses here. So some of them are offering 120 GP per night. Some of them are offering 196 GP per night. So I can go to their offering and I can see, okay, so this is 36 exchanges they had. So you need ID and proof of address is verified. Telephone and email address is also verified. So you can contact them. So you can contact them only after you take the membership. Okay. So in this way, you can exchange your house and you can travel and stay around the world. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.